Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Faraway. This is my 2007 Dodge Charger RT. This is a real quick video. What's gonna be done to it, it's gonna be a full paint job overhaul. This car is gonna have a real big transformation, and it's gonna be painted Destroyer gray. That's the new gray that Dodge has. So I'm gonna show you what it takes to have a full paint job overhaul. I'm gonna take the doors off, I'm gonna take the bumpers off, hood off, everything's gonna be disassembled, and I'm gonna take you to the process of what it takes to do a full paint job. All right guys, I am gonna be using the Grand 7 Oh My Clear. Right now it has a Tamco, which is a real good clear. I've never had any problems with it, so I just like the Grand 7 how it looks, so I'm gonna be doing that. And that'll be it, guys. I also want to congratulate Sergio 67K and Raul Maldonado. Those are the winners of the paint guns. And also guys, this is not gonna be the last giveaway. I'm thinking of doing another giveaway in the near future, which will be maybe 2 of the Black Widow paint guns. All right, so just keep on my channel, and those giveaways will come soon. All right guys, well, this will be it for this little video. I hope the wind's not too bad, but I thank you. God bless, and enjoy the rest of the weekend.